I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making super easy, super flavorful vegan chorizo. It's so good, y'all. This chorizo is smoky and spicy, and it is super easy to make right in your food processor. I can't wait to show you how. Let's do it. In your food processor, combine onion. For the onion, you really can do like big chunky pieces. You just don't want to throw like a half an onion in there because that's a lot to ask of your food processor. So chop it into like 4 to 6 chunky pieces and then let your food processor take it from there. Now add walnuts, a drained can of chickpeas, garlic, chili powder, red wine vinegar, lots of delicious spices, salt, and cinnamon and cloves. Now lock the lid on your food processor and run it until you have a chunky mixture. You're basically going for the texture of like a conventional chorizo here, so just blend and then stop and check, blend again, and keep going until you reach that desired consistency. Now transfer that mixture to a skillet and saute the chorizo until it's nice and golden brown. You can do a no-cook version of this recipe. The texture won't be quite the same, and you do have to make a couple of changes. Instead of the fresh onions and fresh garlic, you're going to use a teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. The reason that you're doing that is because pan frying really softens the flavor of the onion and garlic. It's gonna just be way too overpowering if you don't cook it. At that point, you're ready to serve. As you can see, I'm serving these up in tacos with avocado and green onion. But you can also use this flavorful chorizo in burritos, in enchiladas, or anywhere else that you'd use conventional chorizo. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this vegan chorizo. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!